Journey through the alphabet world. Hey, kids, we're going on a fun-filled adventure through the alphabet world today. Hop on, let's learn together. Do you see that? It's the letter Y, standing tall and strong. A is for apple, amazing, and adventure. Isn't that cool? Next up, we have the bubbly B. B stands for ball, butterfly, and banana. So many fun words to remember, right? Moving on, here's the cheerful C. Can you guess what a C stands for? That's right. Cat, cake, and car. Good job. Now, we've reached the delightful D. D gets to represent dog, doll, and drum. That's pretty important, don't you think? We've made some wonderful alphabet friends today, haven't we? But remember, our journey's just begun. Tune in next time for more. What an amazing adventure through the alphabet world. Don't forget your new friends, a, B, C, and a D. Until next time.